In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a domain from Crazy Domains. Whether you're moving your domain to another registrar for better pricing, improved features, or just personal preference, the process can seem daunting. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First things first, you're going to want to head over to Crazy Domains. You can do this by visiting their website directly. Once you're there, make sure you have access to the domain you want to transfer. If you haven't already, you'll need to log into your Crazy Domains account. Once logged in, ensure you have the necessary details of the domain you intend to transfer, such as the domain name itself. Now, let's consider GoDaddy as our example destination where we'll be transferring our domain. Although the exact steps might vary slightly depending on your chosen registrar, the general process remains quite similar across platforms. So if you've decided on GoDaddy, go ahead and open your GoDaddy website builder project. You should already have an account set up there. Once your project is open, you'll want to navigate to the Settings section. This is where you'll begin the process of connecting your domain. Keep in mind that before you can connect your domain from Crazy Domains to GoDaddy, you'll need to have an active plan with GoDaddy. This is an important step, as without an active plan, the option to connect your domain may not be available. In the Settings section, look for the option that says Connect Domain. Clicking on this will prompt GoDaddy to guide you through the necessary steps to bring your domain over. They'll ask you for some information about the domain you're transferring, and you'll likely need to verify your ownership of the domain through a few quick steps. It's worth noting that during the transfer process, you might encounter some verification steps, such as receiving an email to confirm your identity or the domain transfer itself. Make sure to check your inbox regularly during this time to ensure you don't miss any important emails. Remember, transferring a domain can take a few days to complete, so patience is key. Once the transfer is initiated, you'll be able to track its progress through your new registrar's dashboard. And there you have it. You've successfully started the process of transferring your domain from Crazy Domains to GoDaddy. It's a straightforward process, but attention to detail is crucial. If you run into any issues, both Crazy Domains and GoDaddy have support teams ready to assist you. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has made your domain transfer experience a little smoother.